We're out here on the Mercedes S550. We're doing a gas flush from the gas tank. Got some moisture in the tank, so I actually just undid the fuel line and we're letting it squirt in here when we turn the car over. Alright, well, we're not going to do that much more. We're going to actually open up the gas tank from the rear panel back here. Already got the seat out, and then we're just going to siphon it out. Probably go a little bit quicker this way. So we got the fuel pump out. Got one of the siphon leads going in there. We got the outer lead going here. We already filled up one gas tank. We're going to the second one. Alright, so we got this tank nice and dry, cleaned out to the bone, all the way around. Nice and clean. We're gonna also do the other side, pour some gas treatment over here, a little gas line, antifreeze, and water remover. I'm gonna do like half of this bad boy, and I'm gonna do a full one of these, injector cleaner and water remover. Alright, so we tested out the bad gas there, and this is what you're looking like. So this is water, this is gas. So what happens when you have water in your tank, the gas always sits above it. It's too dense, so it won't allow your vehicle to start. So this is what happens when someone pours water in your gas tank. Alright, so we got it on. It's misfiring horribly. So we get the valve on. So yeah, you can see it's shaking really bad. We're gonna check out, see what the deal is.